Good morning. The other day I was out in the yard and I noticed I have some mole damage. And I caught a mole here probably about 3 years ago, but I see trails every once in a while. But now I've seen one out by the stone wall that's pretty active. So I did some research and I got this scissor mole trap. And I'm hoping to be able to catch one or two of them, or however many are doing the damage in the lawn, and to be able to dispatch them. So let's at least unbox this. We'll see what we're dealing with. And then after that, I'm going to take this outside and actually install a trap, and then take a look at it over the next couple of days to see if we catch anything. I'm hoping we do, but I don't know. This is the trap. This is all it is. There's two of them in here. I don't need to take both of them out. And it comes with a flag. Now I guess the flag is there in case you can't remember where you put the trap, but for me that's going to be pretty simple. This is what the trap looks like. All right. This is it. What happens is you're going to put it in the ground like this. Like say the mole was traveling in the direction of the scissors. You're going to set the trap up so that it's going to be like this, right? You're going to put it in the ground this way, and then once it's in the ground, you're going to step on it, all right? And once you step on it, and it's a very heavy spring. Once you step on this, those scissors are going to open, all right? They're going to open, push the dirt away, and be ready for when the mole comes through. We're going to get it right, you get it right down to ground level. And then when that mole comes through and picks up on this, that's when the trap springs and catches the mole like this. At least hopefully that's what's going to happen. So that's the unboxing piece. Let's just get this outside and see exactly how we're going to set it up. Okay, we're outside now. I'm going to show you, this is the active mole run that I have here. All right. I know it was here yesterday, and it kind of just goes right along here. So we're going to set up the trap. Okay. Now, what it says is you gotta push down like on this tunnel over here. It says you have to push down on it. All right. Compress it so that when the mole comes by, he'll be pushing up on that. All right. Now, like I mentioned, you can't put it this way. It has to go like this. All right. Right where the run is. So I'm going to push this down in the grass here. And then I'm going to go up in the yard and we're going to step on that, and then we're going to set it. All right. We're going to step on it and set it. And it's getting to wiggle down a little bit. So let's go set it now. All right. Actually, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Actually, we'll get this into the ground. That's flat in the ground now. All right. Then we're going to step on the trap to open that spring up. Almost got it. Now the trap is set, but the plunger isn't directly right over the hole. So that's how you set it. Right. Now the plunger's right over the hole. And that's set. Yep. All right. Give you a good view of that. This is the run right here. Right through the trap, and the plunger is right over that run. So now when the mole comes through the run, that will press up and that will spring the trap. Okay, so everything is set and ready to go. Now all we have to do is sit back and wait. I'll keep you updated.